Hey everyone, today we're diving into a hot topic: why teenagers have a massive advantage in the booming online job market. The teen advantage. Think about it. You guys breathe social media, navigate apps like nobody's business, and understand online trends instinctively. That's gold in today's world. But where do you start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Job number 1, advertising deal broker, earning up to $120,000 a year. Imagine getting paid to connect brands with influencers. That's what Christian, a teenager, did. He secured sponsorships for people like me. The key? Making connections. Social media platforms and email are your tools. Find the right people, showcase your value, and become the middleman between brands and influencers. Job number 2, Discord community manager, earning up to $70,000 a year. Ever been part of a thriving online community? That's the magic a community manager creates. Companies are obsessed with building online communities, and teens are naturals at this. Harry, another teenager, is a community manager pro. He juggles multiple projects, keeping communities engaged and happy. It's about being the voice of the brand, providing support, and fostering a welcoming space. Job number 3, scriptwriter for content creators, with potential earnings up to $100,000 or more per year. The words you craft can have serious power. Businesses understand this, which is why they hire copywriters. Adam, a teenager, started writing travel blogs and leveraged his skills to become a scriptwriter for big YouTubers. Remember, it's about offering a valuable service. Great writing can skyrocket a brand's success, and clients are willing to pay a premium for it. Job number 4, SaaS software coder, with potential earnings up to $80,000 per year. The world runs on software. Teenager Sam bypassed the traditional route and built a multi-million-dollar business with a SaaS product software delivered online. Think of tools like MailChimp or Photoshop. They solve problems and provide value at scale. If you're a coding whiz, this is your chance to shine. Partner with someone who understands business needs and create a solution that makes people's lives easier. Job number 5, content redistribution editor, with potential earnings up to $150,000 per year. Ever repurpose leftovers into a delicious new dish? Josh does the same thing, but with video content. He edits existing videos from YouTubers and podcasts into bite-sized content for platforms like TikTok and Instagram. It's content recycling for the digital age. This is a low-maintenance, high-value skill that allows you to serve multiple clients simultaneously. Job number 6, website developer, with potential earnings of up to $150,000 per year. A website is a business's digital storefront. Chris, a teenager who lives in Italy, specializes in building marketing funnels. He understood the power of recurring income and built a subscription-based business. Now he enjoys the freedom of location independence, living a laptop lifestyle on his terms. Job number 7, Twitter manager, earning up to $80,000 per year. Twitter is hot, and Sean, a college dropout, capitalized on this. He studied the platform, learned from the best, and became a Twitter whiz. He focuses on creating engaging threads and hosting Twitter spaces, skills that are valuable across the online landscape. Just like other jobs, he manages multiple clients, maximizing his earning potential. Bonus executive assistant, earning up to $110,000 per year. This online job can evolve into something more. Executive assistants handle everything from scheduling to decision-making. Gabe, who works for a famous YouTuber group, is a prime example. He built himself into an indispensable part of the team, enjoying perks like travel and behind-the-scenes experiences. Conclusion: the online job market is brimming with opportunities for teens. You have the skills, the drive, and the digital edge. So identify your strengths, find your niche, and start building your online empire. Remember, the future is digital, and teens are perfectly positioned to rule it. Call to action. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content on making money online. Now go out there and crush it.